I honestly feel like the next James Bond in this jacket, guys. Look at it, it is awesome. So the other day, guys, I got my hands on this luxury Thru Dark Skirmish jacket. And guys, I am so excited to say that I've been able to test it out for the last few days. So I am now ready to make an in-depth review on this item. So let's jump into it. So this jet black Skirmish jacket is a super lightweight and waterproof raincoat that is perfect for hiking, cycling, climbing, all manner of adventures. Its design is inspired by military clothing and equipment, and it has been lovingly created and designed with speed and mobility in mind. The design of this jacket, guys, is one of the first successful slim fit design jackets that I have ever seen on the market. Normally, guys, as you may know, I am not always a fan of the muscle fit jackets that are on the market. I find them to be just not made for my kind of build. But the people at Thru Dark, guys, they have done it right. This is the first jacket that I think has successfully taken on the slim fit, nicely cut design. I am 5'10", maybe 5'11" on a good day, and I weigh about 75 kgs, and I wear the medium sized jacket, and it fits me really, really well. It comes in at all the right places, and yeah, it just feels like a great jacket that really just suits my body type. And amazingly, guys, the sizes actually go all the way up to, like, you know, XXXL, which means that everybody has the chance to be able to try out and use this amazing jacket. So that is a really positive thing. In recent years, guys, all of the jackets that I have owned have been Gore-Tex based, but not this jacket. This jacket actually uses a material called vent, which is a material that I personally had not heard of before now. It is supposedly a key rival to Gore-Tex. But maybe, friends, one of the most interesting things about this material is that it actually encourages you to wash the jacket regularly. And I'll be honest, guys, I was really surprised about this, because in the past I heard that washing your jacket regularly in a washing machine is a quick way to kill your jacket. This is simply not the case with the Thru Dark Skirmish jacket. And look, if we do my classic spray bottle test on the jacket, you'll see that the jacket's DWR finish is working brilliantly. The water bubbles up and runs straight off, which is exactly what you want to see when you are dealing with a jacket of this caliber. You may notice, my friends, that actually this jacket comes comfortably past my waist. It actually covers up sort of the top half of my bum, which is ideal, to be honest. It means you can sit down and not worry about getting wet. It also means that the water is going to run off your back and not go down, well, down my waist into my boxers. Yeah, this is a small feature, but it is going to improve your quality of life dramatically. Also, just a quick note, if you want to buy this jacket, please do me a favor and buy it through the link down below. I make a tiny, small little commission on that, and that is going to be a great way to support me and this channel. Thanks, guys. Onwards with the review. So as for the zips and the seam sealing that is on this jacket, it is really impressive, friends. You can clearly tell that this jacket has had no expenses spared in terms of quality. Let's get this bag off really quick. So the zips at the top of the jacket are aqua sealed YKK zips. They are top of the line YKK zips and are clearly very water resistant. They resemble what you would find on a waterproof backpack, and they never ever get stuck. The big zip in the center of this jacket is of a very similar quality, guys. It is a really high standard zip, and this does get stuck a few times, but to be honest, I don't know a jacket that doesn't, so I'm not going to hold that against it. Yeah, it's a great looking zip, and it is clearly super high quality. You'll also notice that there is a healthy lip on the inside of this jacket, which will help for waterproofing and just for general coldness, keeping you warm when you're out on an adventure. So the jacket features 3 pockets. 2 of them are no nonsense chest pockets. As I said, they're kind of water inspired. I think they're called aqua zips. They're really good quality, and they sit around your chest area, which is a little bit unusual, but it's actually a really good thing for climbers and for backpackers, because it means you can have a harness that goes over your jacket, but also it means you can have waist straps and chest straps and still be able to easily access those pockets that are at your chest level. There is also a 3rd pocket on the inside of this jacket. It's just right beneath the left chest pocket, and it's more of a nylon based pocket. I think it's a really good spot for credit cards, maybe a small phone, a pair of headphones, just when you're out running and adventuring. But yeah, the pockets are all really strong, all really capable, and aren't going anywhere. And if you're curious, you can actually find the Thru Dark Skirmish jacket label on the inside of the inside pocket. As I said, guys, this jacket is made for all different kinds of activities, and I'm actually trying to kickstart my running again. So very soon I'm going to go out on a run in this thing, and we're going to see how it performs. So let's go and check that out now. This jacket is absolutely great for runners. It's kept me dry and out of the rain for the whole of my run, and one feature I absolutely love about it is the vented back and exhaust holes that are under the armpits. This is helping me to stay way more ventilated than you'd find in a typical raincoat, and of course this is especially helpful when I'm out running, but it's also going to come in clutch when I'm pouring with sweat halfway up a mountain hiking too. It is a wet one, my friends, but not in this jacket. One thing that is really special about this jacket, guys, is the cuffs. I know it doesn't sound like the most exciting thing, guys, but these are not just any cuffs, they are elasticated cuffs. I really like these cuffs, and the way that they've been designed has a slight lip over the sort of top hand of your hand, which is great for gloves and great for just keeping your hands dry and warm when you're out on an adventure. One absolutely brilliant day it is to be doing a review for this jacket. The weather is perfect and I feel like I've got the woodland all to myself, guys. Brilliant. Another really cool feature of this jacket is the cord tightening buttons that you will find all around this jacket. There are some at the hood and at the waist. These are a unique design that get rid of annoying pulley systems that just don't work. You push in these little buttons to allow cordage to flow through the fastening point, and it locks down the second you let go of it. This is going to be brilliant when you find yourself in really bad or just cold weather and you have to wear gloves. So now let's talk about maybe what is the most important thing on a jacket. The hood is an absolutely great addition to this jacket. It has a lofted front, which means it's raised at the front. It's got a lip, which means that when it does rain, it is not going to fall straight into your eyes or into your mouth. It's going to go ahead of you and down. So like I said, they've got these brilliant buttons here, which means you can pull these cords down and have them confidently stay where they are. And yeah, the jacket gets pretty tight around your head. I wouldn't mind if it went a little bit more tighter, if there was a little bit more material to move, because it'd be nice if this thing could come like there comfortably. Because of the slim fit design of this jacket, there isn't much of like a neck covering, so the whole thing kind of comes up to your chin when you do it up tight. But that's fine because, like I said earlier, we've got the extended back. But yeah, I wouldn't mind about 5% more material around the face if I was being picky. But yeah, still, it does what it needs to do. This jacket is going to be absolutely perfect for my up and coming stealth camping adventures. For the last few weeks, for the last few trips, I've been wearing my Frog Togs Ultralight 2 jackets, and as great as they are not even, you know, close to being as strong or as hardy as this jacket. So that is going to be sidelined for now, maybe revisited and reused in the future. But for now, I'm going to be focusing on wearing this jacket, this Thru Dark Skirmish jacket, on my stealth camping adventures. I'm going to be pushing through tree lines, stealth camping places that I just absolutely shouldn't be, and just having a load of fun with it. And I'm going to be testing it thoroughly. So if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you subscribe and you check out those videos as they come out. And speaking about stealth camping, this actually leads me on to my next point in the review. As you can see, this jacket is jet black. You're going to easily hide in the shadows, easily blend into any background. But yeah, maybe on future editions I'd like to see an olive green or a camo kind of look to it, maybe, but I think they've started off with the best color for stealth camping and wild campers alike. So I'm going to be honest, when I received this jacket, my expectations were pretty damn high. But fortunately, friends, I can confidently say that this jacket does live up to the hype. This jacket would be great for runners, hikers, stealth campers, and probably even climbers alike. And as I said earlier, I am really excited to be using this jacket in my up and coming stealth camps, wild camps, and hiking videos. Would I recommend you buying it? Yes, I would. If you're doing research on it right now, it's a big thumbs up, 5 out of 5 stars from me. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. Buy the jacket through the link in the description. I'll see you in the next video very, very soon. Peace.